Hello, hello, my beautiful JAFRA friends. Welcome to today's live. I'm so excited you're here because we're talking about something brand new that I'm sure your skin is going to fall in love the way mine did, and is our Royal Jelly Body Milk. So if you love silky, glowing skin and a touch of everyday luxury, you're definitely going to love this product. And today I'm going to share with you all the beautiful things, the benefits about this body milk. But before we dive in, let's break the ice a little bit. I want to hear you in the comments. So if your skin could talk after applying your favorite lotion, any lotion, what would it say? So let me hear it in the chat. I see that I have Cheryl with me. I have Venetia. I have everyone that is here with me in today's live. Thank you for being here. So just share with me if your skin could talk after applying your favorite lotion. It could be almond, it can be olive, any lotion that you use on your daily basis. What do you think your skin will say after that? I think mine will say thank you. After feeling hydrated, after feeling that, moisturizer that we feel in our skin. So just share with me in the chat. Before we start, I want to share with you a little bit about our story behind this amazing product. So our skincare experts, driven by a passion for excellence, have found a way to extend the benefits into body care with the JAFRA Royal Jelly Body Milk, delivering immediate hydration. That's one of the benefits of this collection, that you can feel that, immediate hydration after you apply your products. If you have tried our amazing royal jelly for the face, you can feel how that feeling of hydration, it just transforms your body care into a daily luxury experience now with this product that we have added to our collection. So for nearly 70 years, our exquisite Royal Jelly collection has delivered benefits fit for a queen. If you have tried this collection, you can, maybe agree with me that you can feel that benefit of rich nourishment, that luxurious softness, and what about that youthful looking radiance? Well, this has been our secret since 1957, but today I don't want it to be a secret anymore. I want you guys to experience our products, and especially our JAFRA Royal Jelly collection. So if you have never heard of the benefits of Royal Jelly, let me share with you what it does to our skin. It recharges our skin with a cocktail of vitamins, minerals, soothing fatty acids, and peptides to give us that youthful looking radiance that we all want. And I want to share that I've been using our JAFRA Royal Jelly on my skincare routine, and I just love how it looks, that dewy finish on my skin. The cream for the eyes is very rich, so I just love how I can feel, how it penetrates on my eyes. Let me know in the comments from this collection, what product do you love the most? What about our body complex that I have here with me? Many of you, if you are a JAFRA consultant, if you are a VIP, you had the option to purchase the body milk before it went live for everyone. And one of the questions was if the body milk is going to replace the body complex, and that is definitely a no. We love our body complex. It's just, it just complements both, using them together. Or if you love the body complex, but you're looking for a lightweight moisturizer, then the body milk is going to be your favorite. Who else is here with me? I see Rosalia, Mimi Ortiz. Thank you for joining me today. Another thing that I want to, see in the chat, if you can describe your perfect body lotion just with one word, what would it be? Maybe you like, your body lotion to be creamy, to be lightweight. How would you describe your perfect body lotion? So I see Donna Hayes is here with me today, and she said she just can't pick one that she loves. She used them all. You're on my team, Donna. I really use all the JAFRA products. You know, sometimes our skin feels very dry, so we need that extra hydration. What about in the summer? Maybe we need lightweight skincare. So I'm with you. I just can't pick one. Hey, Cecilia, thanks for being here. So Benesha is describing her perfect body lotion as luxurious. Well, my friend, if you haven't tried this one, if you are not a JAFRA VIP, but you already popped this in your JAFRA shopping cart, you're going to love it. Because we all know that a true skincare doesn't stop at our face, right? Our face is what people see first, but what about our our hands, our arms, our legs? They also need that care, that love. I want to share with you that once a week, I mean, I shower every day, don't get me wrong, but I pick one day out of the week to really pamper myself, to really give me a head to toe self-care where I, do double layers of my body oil or my body lotion, my exfoliator. So I want to know in the chat if you also have one day out of the week that you take that extra time to give yourself that pamper love that we all need. So hydrating is a daily care that deserves to extend to every part of our body with the same effectiveness and power as our facial routine. Inspired by our iconic line, Royal Jelly Body Milk combines a lightweight formula with a unique, warm, and enveloping scent designed specially for the body. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the fragrance in this body milk. We know that here at JAFRA, we believe that every sensory experience complements and amplifies the benefits of body care. Usually fragrances remind us of, special occasions, maybe a vacation that we went to. So fragrances is what it does to our memories. When we have our favorite fragrance, I have one, which is Paris et Moi from JAFRA. It reminds me when I was pregnant from my girl because I only have one girl. So it reminds me of that time. So we created an exclusive fragrance designed specially for Royal Jelly Body Milk to reflect the sophistication and luxury of our iconic brand. So the perfumist, Christine Spilka, she took the inspiration of our iconic Royal Jelly to create the fragrance of these products with enhancing notes of honey infusion, creamy jasmine, and musk to transport us to a world of elegance and vitality. So I'm going to stop sharing the presentation here for a little bit to really show you the bottle. It's very luxurious. Just picture this in your restroom when your guests are coming over. And if you want to see the texture of the body milk, I'm going to pump here a little bit. And on purpose, I'm using this today just to show you how lightweight it is and how we can just put it in our arms. I mean, you can see that glow, right? I wish you guys can really experience this in person. But I love the fragrance. It's very light. And we can put it in our hands, everywhere. So let me go back to the presentation. So Sylvia, she's here with us. Hi, Sylvia from San Diego. She's been using it for the last 4 days and she loves it. What is it that you love the most, Sylvia? Is it the lightweight? Is it the fragrance? Let us know in the chat. And if you haven't tried it, why are you going to love this product? Well, from the very first touch, you'll notice how effortlessly glides on, just like I did my presentation right now. It absorbs quickly and it leaves behind a silky, luminous finish. I mean, you guys can see that, right? It delivers deep hydration without the heaviness of a traditional cream. Perfect if you love a soft but elegant feel. And of course, you can use this every day. You can feel the luxury, perfect for morning, for night, or maybe if you're just like me, that you have it here at my desk. You know, every time I feel that I need that extra hydration, I just put it on. And of course, another reason why are you going to love it is because it's powered with royal jelly. So this ingredient, it's known for also revitalizing and renewing our skin appearance. We want to have that youthful looking radiance in our skin. All right, so Cheryl, she loves the scent and she's saying that it lasts all day. Thank you for sharing that with us. Cecilia, she's one of our JAFRA consultants. JAFRA VIP. She already sold 4 bottles. Thank you, ladies, for sharing all these comments. Make me really happy. So now let's talk about how can we make the most of our royal jelly duo. If you already love our body complex is more of a creamy texture, and we can also use it, you know, in our daily routine. But how can we use this one? So first, I want to clarify that the body milk is not going to replace the body complex. These actually complement each other beautiful. How? We can start with the royal jelly body milk right after we shower. It's light, the texture absorbs quickly, and it gives our skin that instant silky glow. And then we can follow up with our royal jelly body complex on our areas that need a little bit more care, more hydration, maybe like your elbows, or why not all over your body? I mean, I can't wait to try both together. I've been using the body complex. As you can see, I'm almost out of it. But when I was working on these, product information, and I'm like, I can't wait to try how both feel together. Just think about it like body milk as your everyday hydration and the body complex as your luxurious treatment. Together, they're going to deliver the ultimate royal jelly experience, soft, radiance, and youthfully nourish your skin that we love and that we just love how it feels. So I invite you, if you haven't ordered yours, go to your JAFRA consultant personal website. Go to JAFRA.com if you don't have one, so you can connect with one of our beautiful JAFRA consultants out there near your area and discover the looking radiance from head to toe. And that's all I have for today, friends. I hope you are excited as I am about the royal jelly body milk, because it's perfect. It's light, it's luxurious. It's just a perfect way to pamper our skin every day. So now I just want to say bye, friends, and I hope to see you in my next live.